Hi there, we're going to cover shipping and how to configure free shipping and paid shipping or delivery. It's just referred to as shipping in the shopping cart, so that if people place an order and the order value goes over a specified amount, then free shipping or free delivery should be available. As always, just log into the administration area. You will have a login. If not, just get in touch and select components, EShop, and under plugins you will see shipping. Now typically we have two available. We have the free one and we have standard price. You can also have a flat fee shipping, which is just one price to ship or to deliver, and it doesn't matter on the cart value. If somebody orders 5 or 500 euros worth of products, they pay the same. So we use these two, the shipping price and the free shipping. So I'm just going to go into the free one first, and you'll see here it says minimum total 15, which means once the shopping cart reaches 15 euros, which is the shopping cart's default currency, then free shipping will be available to select. And I've also set it to all geographic zones instead of just specifically saying it's only available in one zone, because we're only selling into one zone anyway. So I'll close that, and you'll see here we have the price shipping, and the price there is 15 euros. We can change that to any value we want. If we want to charge people 5 euros, 10 euros, 15, 20, we just put the value in there. And what happens, and I'll demonstrate this in the shop, is the delivery fee is configured in price shipping. For example, 15 euros in this case. If the shopping cart value exceeds 15 euros, if they buy more than 15 euros worth of products, as you can see in free shipping, that becomes available. But it's easier to understand this when we actually use the shop. So I'm going to go into the shop now and just pick a random product, for example a dairy product, and I'm going to pick that flavour, and the cart's total will be €5.40. So if I go to checkout now, or shopping cart rather, I have an option here to calculate the shipping costs, so I'm going to use that, and it's going to tell me that the price for shipping is 15 euros. But if I go into the cart now and update this, let's say 11, just to bring the total over 15 euros, and then go back down to get a quote for shipping, you'll see that free shipping is now available to me, and I can apply that. So when somebody checks out, the system will automatically calculate the total value of the cart, and if that value is over 15 euros, which we've specified here, it will then become free for the delivery. I hope that helps, and if you have any other questions or if you need some tutorials on anything else, just get in touch.